SoundCloud, a platform synonymous with independent music, a launchpad for emerging artists, and a global community of music lovers. For the aspiring musician, SoundCloud offers a unique opportunity to share your music, connect with fans, and yes, even earn money. It's a space where raw talent can be discovered, where your bedroom recordings can reach the ears of thousands, and where your music career can gain serious traction. Gone are the days when record deals were the only path to success. SoundCloud has democratized the music industry, putting power back into the hands of the artists. It's a space where your music is not just a product, but a story waiting to be heard. But with millions of tracks vying for attention, it takes more than just uploading your music to stand out. It takes strategy, engagement, and a keen understanding of how to leverage the platform to your advantage. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and actionable steps to turn your SoundCloud presence into a viable income stream. Whether you're a seasoned producer or just starting to strum your first chords, SoundCloud offers a unique platform for musicians of all levels to share their passion, connect with a global audience, and ultimately, turn their love for music into a sustainable career. Let's get started. SoundCloud offers various features that allow artists to monetize their music directly. One such feature is SoundCloud Premiere, a program that allows eligible creators to get paid for the plays they get on the platform. With SoundCloud Premiere, your tracks are monetized through ads and listener subscriptions. This means you earn royalties based on the number of times your songs are streamed. Another direct way to earn money on SoundCloud is through fan support. The platform allows listeners to directly support their favorite artists through features like Support Go buttons on your profile. This allows fans to make one-time donations or even become monthly subscribers, providing you with a steady stream of income. Don't underestimate the power of selling your music directly on SoundCloud. By enabling the buy button on your tracks, you provide fans with an easy way to purchase your music directly, cutting out the middleman and maximizing your earnings. Visibility is key to success on SoundCloud. It's not enough to simply upload your music. You need to make sure it's heard by the right people. This requires a strategic approach to building your presence on the platform. First and foremost, optimize your profile. Use high-quality images, write a compelling bio that showcases your personality and musical style, and include links to your other social media platforms. Engage with your listeners. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and foster a sense of community around your music. Collaborate with other artists. Reach out to musicians in your genre and explore opportunities for collaborations. Not only does this expose your music to a new audience, but it also helps you build valuable connections within the industry. Consistently upload new content. Keep your audience engaged and coming back for more by regularly releasing new tracks, remixes, or even behind-the-scenes content. Section 4. Beyond the platform. Using SoundCloud for indirect income. While direct monetization features are valuable, don't underestimate the power of SoundCloud as a tool for generating indirect income. Think of your SoundCloud profile as your online music resume. Use it to showcase your talent to industry professionals, booking agents, and potential collaborators. Promote your gigs and events on SoundCloud. Announce upcoming performances, share live recordings, and use the platform to drive ticket sales. Sell merchandise directly to your fans. SoundCloud allows you to integrate with platforms like Bandcamp and Shopify, making it easy for listeners to purchase your merchandise. Use SoundCloud to build your email list. Offer exclusive content, such as free downloads or behind-the-scenes access, in exchange for email signups. This allows you to build a direct line of communication with your most dedicated fans. Section 5. Case studies. Artists who found success on SoundCloud. The success stories on SoundCloud are plentiful, demonstrating the platform's power in launching music careers. Take, for instance, the story of Billie Eilish. Before breaking into mainstream stardom, Eilish gained traction by uploading her music to SoundCloud, where she cultivated a loyal fan base. Post Malone is another prime example. His breakout hit White Iverson was initially released on SoundCloud, where it garnered millions of plays and caught the attention of record labels. These artists, along with countless others, showcase how SoundCloud can be a springboard for success. By leveraging the platform's features, engaging with their audience, and creating exceptional music, they were able to transition from bedroom producers to global superstars. These success stories serve as inspiration and proof that with dedication, strategy, and a little bit of luck, you too can achieve your musical aspirations through SoundCloud. These success stories serve as inspiration and proof that with dedication, strategy, and a little bit of luck, you too can achieve your musical aspirations through SoundCloud.